Now see children, in this video I will tell you few more questions. I'll help you in doing few more questions. See question number 2. Here the words are beginning with different letters, so it will be easy for you to write it in alphabetical order. In 3 also, all the words are beginning with different alphabets, so there will be no problem in writing them in alphabetical order. Up to 5 you will be able to do it. Now turn the page and see question number 6. Words are saucer, hockey, cricket, rugby, tennis, boxing. No problem, because all the beginning letters are different. So you will see the alphabets and you can write. See here, you will start again. You have got the key list of alphabets. You will check from there. A, no word is there with A, fine. B, one word is there, so first you will write boxing. Okay, then come to C, cricket is there, you will write cricket. D, no word is there beginning with D. E, no one word is there beginning with E. F, no. G, no word. H, CH is there, hockey, you have written hockey. Now continue saying. After H comes I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. R is there, so you've written R also. S, yes, saucer. And then the last word is tennis. After writing these words, you must count. See, you have left any word is skipped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means it is correct. So this will be easy for you to do. 6, 7 you can do it. Come to question number 8. See, there are months of the year, and you have to arrange them alphabetically. So what you will do here also, but here there is one problem. Few of the months are beginning with A, like April and August. So what you have to do, you do one thing. You underline what you have to see. Here January, this you will underline. February, F. Why you underlining it? Just to see. M, April, 2 A's are there. See, April and August. So you draw a big line. Because here you have to see the second alphabet. This alphabet you will see. Here you will see the second alphabet. Okay. Then March and May, two words are beginning with capital M. So you also underline this. And here you have to see the second alphabet. Now, common it is M-A-M-A. So here you will see the third alphabet. Followed? So you will see the third alphabet. For this you have to be very careful, okay? Then J, July, it again July and June. First alphabet is same. So what you will do? Second alphabet is also same. So see the third one, and you have to see the third one. Fine? Then here it's for September, first alphabet you will see, October, first alphabet, November and December. Fine. Now how you will do it? You will start saying the alphabet, checking from your key list. A, April. Then 2 are there, 2 A's are there. So A, B, C, you will see the second one. So what comes? U comes after P, no? So alphabetical order, what you will do? First you will write April and then August. A is done. B, C, D, December is there. E, F, February. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Now J, 3 months are given beginning with J. June, July and January. So what you have to do? You'll see the second alphabet. So you'll write January. Second alphabet is A, C. So you've written January here. January. And then what comes after January? Now two are there, July and June. Second alphabet is also common. So what you will see the third one. So L comes before, G comes before, what is that? L comes before N. So what you will write? First you will write July and then June. Okay? Like this. Now done. J is also over. Now K, J, K, L, M written. Now two M's are there. So what you will do? You'll see the third letter. Third is March. R comes before Y. So you have written March first and then May. Then N, November. MNO, October. PQRS, September. Like this you have to do. So you have to be very careful and keep your side the key alphabet neatly written. Okay. Now here, sentence number 10, you can do it easily because you have to see only the first alphabets and all are different. So you will be able to arrange it in nicely, easily. I'm not doing 11th one is also you can do. Now come to the 12th one. See 12th one, all the alphabets are beginning with G, all have G, and the second alphabet is also I. It's common everywhere. So what you have to do? You have to see the third alphabet. So you will put a small dash, third one, okay? Now here see, R is also common. GIRAFFE, two R's are there. So here you will see the fourth one. Third one, all you have underlined. Third one. Okay. Now start writing and counting. A, B, G, I is common. So third A, giant you have written. C, giant. A, B, C, D, E, F, gift. G, done. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. O, P, Q, R. Fine. S, P, Q, R. Now see, GIR to GIR are there. So you will see the fourth one because the fourth one is A, giraffe. A. So I have written giraffe before girl. So giraffe and then girl and the last one is game. Followed? This way you can do it. But you have to underline it. Underline, then it will make you easy. And if the second, 1, 2, 3, 3 alphabets are common, then you'll underline. So you do one thing, if the 3 one are common, you have to underline the fourth one. This will help you. Now 13th one is easy. Only the first alphabet is different, so you can do it. You'll do it easily. You'll be able to do it. 14th also you can do it. Now come to the 15th one. See. Cook, cool, cookie, coolest, caught, cotton, copper. You've seen CO is common. COO is common everywhere. So you will look the fourth one. Fourth one you will see the fourth letter C. So first you'll write cook. Fourth one you are looking A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, cook, and then to cook. Cookie is also there. So you have seen here the fifth one. So first you'll write cook and then you'll write cookie. Done. COOK is finished. Now again see the fourth one, fourth letter. After that you've written cool. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K is over L. Cool. J, K, L, M, N. See L also to coolest and cool. So cool first you'll write and then after that coolest. Why? Because you're looking at the fifth alphabet. Then copper, CO. Now one O is there. Single O. So what comes? You'll see the third one. P comes before T. So first we have written copper and then cot and then cotton. Followed? This way you will do it. Okay, will you be able to do it? Hope you will do it. Now come to the 16th one. 16th one is also easy because only first letter you have to see, no common is there. 17th one, come to the 17th one. See, heavy, heart, heaven, year, health, heal, heap, healthy. Now 1, 2, 3, first three alphabets are common in all. So we will look at the fifth one, fourth alphabet. So better it is you underline it. Fourth one, heavy, R, here it is V, it is R. Now here again V, so you'll see the fifth one, E. Then again fourth one, R, two R's are there. So here, this heart you will see the fifth one, H-E-A-L, fourth one, and the fifth one. Now how to write it? See, A, B, C, D, E. You have seen the fourth one, na? So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Heal. L up to L is done. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. So L, heal you have written, then health is done. Now healthy, T, H, Y, it comes. And then you know very well. So heal, then health, then healthy. Fine. Then H, E, F. Now again you will see the fourth one. After L, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Here, see. Then S, T, T. See, when it is common, you will see the fifth one. And then you write. Then again here you have to see R, S, T, U, V, heaven. And then the last one is heavy. Followed? So this way you will do it. Now the 18th is easy. You can do it because you have to see the first letter only. Then 19th one, see. Here alphabets, first alphabets are different all except two. Ear, I made a big this thing. Ear, eye and elbow. So for after writing first alphabet A, B, C, no one is beginning with A. Arms, after writing arms, A, B, no any word is there with B? No. C, D, D is there? No. No D word beginning with D. E is there. So what you will do? You will check three words are there. E, A, R. First you will write E, A, R, ear, and then E, E, L, B, O, W, elbow, and then E, Y, E. E is over. E, F, G, H. Then you will write H. H. I, J, K, L. Now see. This is left cheek. So ear, before ear I will write C, D, E, F. Here I will write, see, it was left out, so I'll write here cheek. C, D, E, F. Here you will write F, one word is there, foot, see. So it was left out, so I'll write here foot. Okay. Now C, D, E, F, G is there. Any word with G? No. G, H I have written. Okay. See, again I am getting one. Ankle is left out. So children, you have to be very careful and carefully do it. Okay. So before here you will write ankle, A. Ankle is the first letter, ankle. Okay, ankle done. Foot is written. Okay, fine. Now A, B, C, D, E, F, G is not there. H, I, J, K. Now K. K is there, so we'll write knee. Okay. J, K, L, M, N. N is there. See, nose. Only J, K, L is also there, so let's write L, leg. J, K, L, M, then N. See, N is there, so we'll write nose. M, N, O, P, Q, A, B, C, D, E, F. See, one more is left. Finger. This is how now you have to be very careful. See, I'm also getting now A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, and more nose is there. See, so here we'll write N. So do one thing. What you have to do, you have to check if the first letter is same, then you make a long line under that. Now N, see, N, neck, and one more N is there, nose. So better it is you draw big line. Now first neck will come and then nose. Okay. M, N, O, P, any N is there? No. P, Q, R, R is there, I think? No. S, T. Only one word is there with T. So let's write TOE2. Now count. 1, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And how much we have written? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 is left. What is left? Throat is left. So before A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So before toe, we will write first throat and then toe. Okay. Now it is done. Followed this way. So you have to pay little time to it. So you do one thing. Do 1 to 10 one day, then 11 to 15 another day, 16 to 20 next day, and 20 to 25 the other day. Like this you will be able to do it. Now see this question. This is also a little different. 21. Slip, slide, slim, slipper, slippery, slice. Now see, all have as first two alphabets same. First three alphabets same. And slipper and slippery, fourth and fifth alphabet is also same. Okay. So how you will do it? You first draw that I told you, now draw a big line over there. Now SL, you will see, you'll tick the fourth one. So first you will write slice, then slide. Okay, because A, B, C, then D, then E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Now slip you have written. Now here you will see the fourth one. E comes before R. See, slipper, slippery. Y is the comes later. So you will write slipper and then slippery. It's done. Okay. Now see the 22nd one. See, again only two are beginning with two. Here you see smile is beginning with S, so you will make big line here, and sneeze. Why you are drawing underline big line? Because you have here you have to see the second alphabet, and same with C also. Two words are there. Okay, rest all is same. So A, B, C. Now two are there. Which one? Cry and cough. What you'll write first? Because Y comes later. So first you'll write cough and then you'll write cry. Fine. C is over. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Now S, two words are there. M, N. M comes first. So H comes first. Three are there. So H comes first. You'll write shout, and then M, smile, and then N, sneeze, and last will be whisper. This way you will do it, and 23, 24, 25 you can do. You will do it because you have to see the fourth here. No common is there, only dear and dearly. Hope you will do it. Do it slowly, and I will send you the image, then check from the images. Okay, try your best and you'll get the result. Fine. Okay, bye bye.